Is avocado really a superfood?
Avocados are often called a superfood, thanks to their creamy texture and impressive nutrient profile. But do they really live up to the hype? In this video, we'll explore what makes avocados unique, review their health benefits, and break down whether they truly deserve their superfood reputation.
Nutritional Powerhouse. What's inside an avocado?
Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health. They also provide fiber, magnesium, potassium, vitamin E, and several B vitamins. Unlike many fruits, avocados are low in sugar, making them a filling, nutrient-dense food that fits into many balanced diets.
Health benefits backed by science.
Research suggests that regular avocado consumption may help lower bad cholesterol, support eye health, and contribute to weight management due to their fiber content. Their healthy fats can keep you feeling satisfied, which may prevent overeating and support stable energy levels throughout the day.
Potential downsides and considerations.
While avocados are nutritious, they are also calorie-dense. Eating large amounts can contribute to excess calorie intake if not balanced with the rest of your diet. People with latex or certain fruit allergies should also be cautious, as avocados can sometimes trigger allergic reactions.
Are avocados worth the hype?
Avocados are packed with valuable nutrients and can be a healthy part of most diets. However, they're not a miracle food. A balanced approach, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, remains key for overall wellness. Enjoy avocados as part of a varied diet, but don't expect them to be a cure-all.